Ensuring privacy on your YouTube channel by hiding your country or location is a simple process. Follow these steps to adjust your channel's privacy settings effectively. Begin by opening YouTube in a web browser on your device. Next, click on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio to access your channel's dashboard. Within YouTube Studio, navigate to the Settings menu located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on Settings to proceed. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Channel to access your channel's basic information. Here you'll find various details about your channel, including your country of residence. To hide your country or location, click on the Country of Residence option and select None or leave it blank. Ensure to click on Save to apply the changes. Your privacy settings are now updated, and your country or location information is hidden from your YouTube channel. That's it. You've successfully learned how to hide your country or location on your YouTube channel to maintain privacy.